exploring the charm of Craftsman Bungalows. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that combines architecture and history, the Craftsman Bungalow. This style of house has a unique charm and a rich heritage. It's more than just a type of building. It's a piece of American cultural history. Whether you're learning English, interested in architecture, or both, understanding what a Craftsman Bungalow is will enrich your vocabulary and cultural knowledge. Let's uncover the beauty and significance of these homes together. A Craftsman Bungalow is a style of house that originated in the United States in the early 20th century. It's part of the broader arts and crafts movement, which emphasized handcrafted details, natural materials, and a closer relationship between the house and its environment. These homes are known for their low-pitched roofs, wide eaves, and exposed wooden structural elements. The interior is cozy, featuring built-in furniture and an open floor plan to promote family togetherness and functionality. Craftsman bungalows are easily identifiable by several distinctive features. Low-pitched, gabled roofs. This design element helps the house blend with its surroundings. Wide eaves with exposed rafters. Not just decorative, these also offer practical protection from the sun and rain. Porch with thick square or round columns. A defining element that adds to the home's charm and provides a transitional space from outdoors to indoors. Natural materials. Wood, stone, and brick are commonly used, emphasizing the connection to nature. Built-in cabinetry and furnishings. These features maximize space and functionality, characteristic of the craftsman ethic. The Craftsman Bungalow movement was a response to the Industrial Revolution and the mass production of homes. It celebrated craftsmanship and simplicity over the ornate and artificial. This movement reflected a desire for a simpler, more honest lifestyle. The Craftsman Bungalow became an iconic American home, symbolizing a return to traditional values and a connection with nature. It's a testament to the idea that beauty lies in functionality and simplicity. Today, Craftsman Bungalows are highly sought after for their timeless beauty and durable construction. They appeal to those who value authenticity, craftsmanship, and a connection to the outdoors. Restoring and preserving these homes is not just about maintaining a piece of architecture but also about keeping alive the principles of the arts and crafts movement. They remind us of the value of craftsmanship, the beauty of natural materials, and the importance of designing homes that are both beautiful and functional. Thank you for joining us as we explored the charming world of Craftsman Bungalows. These homes are more than just structures. They are a philosophy of living that values craftsmanship, simplicity, and a harmonious relationship with nature. Whether you're an English language learner, an architecture enthusiast, or someone who appreciates cultural history, we hope this video has given you insight into why Craftsman Bungalows hold a special place in the heart of American architecture. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.